This 2016 Jayco Seismic 4212 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 45 feet 2 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, Sleeps 7, Colorado Detector, external shower, DVD player, oven, TV, refrigerator, LP detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, awning, and 146 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Jayco Seismic 4212 is 15,765 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.